Everybody. Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. And this week's prompt was green. So, I did a green background. And then I just got some collage paper and these cute little birds and put them there. And then I got this recently from Sabrina. This yellow you see peeking through. And I put that in there. And these birds are from collage. Ooh, hang on, I can tell you. Collage soup. Yeah. Collage soup. They have an awesome website. And I'll show you that. That's on the back. Hang on. Where is it? Hang on. Okay. Well, just Google collage soup. No, I'm not prepared, am I, today? I'm not adding this either. Yeah, I'm trying to... Let me see. There we go. I found one. If you're interested, there we go. www.collagesoup.com. And you can also print them yourself. You got certain books and prints. This is one I printed myself. I just love the birds. It's so cute. But my background, I put some book paper down, some paper from Sabrina, different stencils, and I just kind of did the triangle, or diamond shaped I should say, on the background, and then did some collage with the flowers, and then I just came in and did little dots. And that is my green page. I didn't have a lot of green, so I was looking through everything. Like this was a little green. Here's a little green, and a little green on the flowers. But I live in Green Bay Packers. But I am doing no Packer layout. So, hope you enjoy the page. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.